Is that your Uncle Jake? Is that your Uncle Jake?
Oh. Not a football player.
You want to show us how you crawl? You want to show us how you crawl? Put it on the floor. Yes. Oh, yes. Let's see. Look at the big girl. Look at Grandma's girl.
Show them what you do, Banana.
Come on, sweetheart. Hi, sweetheart. Look at you. What a big girl. What a big girl. Come on. Come see Grandma. What a big girl. What a big girl. Hi, honey. Hey, beautiful. Where you going? Where you going? I love you. Look at you. Hey, princess. Hello, pretty girl. You teething? Grandma forgot your teething toy that I bought you. There you go. There you go. Anna, Banana. There she goes. Go see Aunt Halen. Go see Aunt Halen. Go get her. Go get her. Go on. Go get her. Go get her. Come on, big girl. Come on, big girl.
All you do is crawl, crawl, crawl. Now everyone's big.
Go get her. Go get her.
Hey, what kind of sandwich would you like?
I don't want one already.
You're not hungry? Hey, what kind of sandwich you want?
I'm good. I ate before that.
Julia asked you on the phone. What kind of meat do you want?
Well,
Hey, beautiful.
I'll be hungry in about an hour, though.
Mom, what kind of sandwich would you like?
Salami.
Salami?
Yeah.
What kind of cheese? Swiss or American?
Ooh, Swiss.
You want mayo or mustard?
Mustard. Just a little tiny circle.
Yellow or spicy?
Yellow. Huh?
Lettuce, tomato?
Sure. If you're making a gourmet sandwich, I'll eat it.
Oh, man.
Anna. Princess Anastasia. Pretty girl. Where you going? Hey, where you going? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. She's going. There she is. There's your pretty girl. Oh, she wants to hold on to the table.
I'm going to let the dog in just so you know
Okay.
what we're going to do. Good girl.
Just gonna cover this part.
Ask Zoe.
You probably want to chew on it, huh? Look at you. You're so excited. Look at you. Big girl. What a big girl.
I got your message saying that you were here.
Where you going? Where you going? I think I got this. Who's that? That Aunt Halen? Oh, there she goes. Yep, she's gonna bite that table. Mm. What you gonna do, big girl? Huh? What you gonna do?
Where's the small white one?
What are you thinking? What do you think? You okay up there? There's Penelope. Don't let him put your arms under. Yep. Damn, it's got you. Want to get back down? What's that? Is that Uncle Jake? Yeah, all the girls love Uncle Jake. Yeah. She likes you, Jake. Where's Uncle Jake? There's Mommy. Where's Uncle Jake? You want him? Huh? You want him? What's he doing? He still does that with her hand, huh? Help her down. There you go. I think she wants you, Jake. You want Uncle Jake to pick you up? Aww.
So, why isn't she...
Get Uncle Jake. Get him. Get him and bite him.
Why isn't he even working this week?
Get him and bite him.
I saw her yesterday and texted you, and I heard her text me.
Take her, Jake. She wants you.
Alright. I told her I can work Sunday, but I can't work Saturday because I don't have anybody to do Saturday.
Oh, she wanted to stand up on your side of the table.
My mom's the poor girl.
Is that what it was? You didn't want him to have that side?
Working all day on Saturday.
Where's her toys? Grab her some toys from over there. Hi, sweetheart. Hi, baby girl. What's
You
that?
might have to turn the phone on. I turn it off so it goes off.
Oh, that's Dad. I always forget to call him.
Can't gonna grab it.